Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Xbox 360 safe to open. Power it down, unplug every cable, and remove any external storage. Put on an anti-static wrist strap to avoid frying components. This is why you ground yourself. Once done, remove the faceplate and trim pieces using a flat pry tool, then take out visible screws with the correct Torx driver. Make sure to sort and label screws as you go so reassembly won't become a guessing game later. Now you move into the middle of the teardown. Unscrew the remaining Torx and Phillips screws around the chassis and gently pry the two halves apart, feeling for plastic clips. Patience prevents cracks. Once the shell opens a little, locate and disconnect ribbon cables from the DVD drive and front panel before fully lifting any pieces. Remove the hard drive and optical drive mounts next, keeping connectors straight and noting their orientation so you can reinstall components correctly without stress. Finish by lifting the motherboard after removing its screws. Handle it by edges to avoid static damage. If you're replacing parts, clean old thermal paste, apply a thin new layer, and reseat the heatsink and any daughter boards exactly as they were. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnecting ribbon cables and drives, and tighten screws snugly but not over-torqued. If the console refuses to power or display, first recheck every connector and screw position. Then try powering on with the shell off to isolate assembly issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.